Hello folks, welcome back to my channel World of Achievers, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. In this video we are going to deal with one of the most important chapter in inter second year accountancy, that is depreciation. See students, before that I'll discuss model paper type so that you will understand what depreciation will appear in question paper for how much marks. Let us see first. See students, it is commerce model paper where you can see A, B, C sections. For time being, let us see accountancy. We'll see later about commerce. See, for accountancy we have total 1, 2, 3 and 4 sections. See, first section deal with partnership accounts. It is for 20 marks. One of the most important question in question paper. See, for time being we'll discuss partnership later. Nextly, for 10 marks you have internal choice among two. First, they will compulsorily give question from consignment accounts and another question from accounting for non-profit organization. So, we'll discuss these two concepts in my later videos. Nextly, we have in section F, that is in third section of accounting, we have depreciation. It is for 5 marks. We have choice from this. See, we will have two problems. One is from depreciation and another from single entry system. Or you will be having more 2 theory questions. If you wish, you can answer accordingly, one theory or one practical problem, or 2 theories or 2 problems. It's totally your wish. So we are dealing now with depreciation. See, commonly they will ask problem from depreciation, but in some cases, according to their wish, they may ask depreciation problem or theory. But in this video we are going to deal with theory of depreciation. Really important to know the theory before starting problems. So without any further delay, let's start. See students, first I will give you a list of important questions so that you have clarity. After referring previous question papers given by the board, after referring various model papers, I have segregated most important or commonly asked questions in the board exam. Firstly, what is depreciation? They will ask for 2 marks. You can note it down or take screenshot of it. Nextly, what is obsolescence? These are short type questions. Causes of depreciation. See here, causes of depreciation may ask for 2 marks or short answer as 5 marks. What is depletion? It is also for 2 marks. What is straight line method? 2 marks. And what is diminishing balance method? 2 marks. These are the 6 short questions commonly asked as 2 marks questions. See, next most important 5 marks questions are difference between straight line method and diminishing balance method. It is one of the most commonly asked question in inter second year commerce. Nextly, briefly explain different methods of providing depreciation. It is also commonly asked 5 marks question. See, I have given this important question in order to make you a bit alert about the depreciation theory. Now I'll say you a shortcut key in order to learn this many 8 questions. It is not required to learn separately these 8 questions. I'll give you a shortcut. See students, if you learn causes of depreciation, methods of providing depreciation, and difference between straight line method and diminishing balance method, if you learn these 3 questions thoroughly, you can answer these 8 questions. So, firstly we will deal with causes of depreciation. See, it is one of the most important question for 5 marks, and as well as they may ask a single point as 2 marks. So, hear carefully and learn. First point is wear and tear. It is one of the most important cause of depreciation. What it means, wear and tear. See, wear or tear is a decrease in the value of fixed assets due to constant use. Is said to be a wear and tear. See, for example, a furniture is brought to a business. If they use too much of that furniture, it may cause depreciation. So it is one of the cause of depreciation. By using a asset or a thing continuously, it may cause to wear and tear. Next is depletion. What it means, let us know. Depletion refers to a physical distortion by the exhaustion of natural resources. What it